I bet you didn't know cheetahs, mantis shrimp, and peregrine falcons are the real speed demons of the wild. Cheetahs are the undisputed kings of land speed, hitting up to 70 miles per hour in short bursts. But it's their agility that's jaw-dropping. They can pivot mid-sprint to outmaneuver zigzagging prey like gazelles. Now let's dive into the ocean. Mantis shrimp may be tiny, but they pack a wallop. Their punch hits 50 miles per hour, strong enough to crack shells or even shatter aquarium glass. Talk about a powerful hunter. Take to the skies with the peregrine falcon. These aerial aces reach speeds over 240 miles per hour in a hunting dive. Their razor-sharp reflexes let them nab prey mid-air with pinpoint accuracy. Fastest animals on the planet? You bet. These creatures show us that speed isn't just about running fast, it's about quick thinking and lightning reactions too. Who knew the wild could be this thrilling?